What's up everyone, I'm Spyder Dan, and welcome to Slingmods install of the SpyderExtras phone and GPS docking station for the Can-Am Spyder F3. Let's face it people, we've all been in a situation where we're on the road, maybe a long road trip, stuck in traffic, and our beloved mobile device is shut down. It's basically the worst. Okay, well, SpyderExtras is here to save the day with their phone and GPS docking station that's easy to install and compatible with all F3 models. It grabs its power off a 12-volt accessory wiring harness already inside the F3 and includes dual USB charging ports and a 12-volt cigarette lighter style port. So the docking station comes powder-coated in black, so it's going to have years of protection against the elements. It comes with everything you see here. If you plan on mounting your cell phone or GPS system to the docking station, you're going to want to grab our optional RAM mount X-Grip accessory. Let's go ahead and send this over to Brandon for the install.
Start by removing the top two Allen bolts on your handlebar mount. Be sure to save the two washers because you will be reusing them. Next, you can slide on the two spacers and mount the docking station with the new bolts and washers from the original bolts. Now, if you plan on using the RAM ball option for mounting a cell phone or GPS, be sure to do that before you mount the docking station. But if you're like me and forgot, here's a little trick to get that nut on. Now to hook up the wiring, you will need to remove the small top panel door to access the 3 push pins, and then unscrew the 4 T20 Torx bolts on the outside of the fairing. Next, find the wire labeled Customer Accessory Circuit and cut off the connectors of the black wire and the purple with gray wire so you can strip them. And do the same for the wires from the docking station. Now take the 2 blue connectors and attach them to the docking station wires. Then take the purple and gray wire from the customer accessory circuit and connect it to the red wire from the docking station. And then the black wire to the black wire. Once secure, be sure to use electrical tape to wrap both individual connectors separately before wrapping them together. Then use zip ties to secure the excess wire up and out of the way. Now you can mount the fairing back on reusing the 4 T20 Torx bolts and 3 push pins.
hope that helped. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe below. All these items are available at slingmods.com. I'm Spider Dan, signing out.